go see what Santa brought you.
Did Santa come, Carter? Did you hear him last night? I think I heard something last night. Hey, come here, put your hat on. Well, somebody's got a big day. She's so excited. Carter, wait a minute. Hey, you want to go TT?
No.
Hold on, Daddy. You want to film her? She says she's so excited. Carter, you want your house coat on?
Okay. Let's go see what Santa brought you.
Are you excited?
Gotta turn the lights on. What'd he bring? Whoa.
What is that, Carter? Awesome. Ella, what is that? Oh! And a couch. Wow. What is that, Carter?
It's a spider web.
It's a spider web.
Dad.
Yeah. You gonna get in? Have a tent? Carter, a water gun?
Yeah, I got a couch too.
Carter, did you see this over here?
Carter, what is this over here?
What? Mommy. Oh, look. That's what I want.
That's the one you wanted?
What's
Yeah.
in here?
Oh, you can pick the one.
Yeah, hold on, Carter.
Mommy, help you?
Look, you do like this.
Some candy.
Dad, I got the candy.
Wow. Some pins. Yeah. More bubble gum. What else is in here? What's that, Ella?
For me.
Yeah, lip gloss. Oh, there's your bottle. Candy.
How you doing?
Hold on, I'll show you.
And there's your towel.